Now this is living. I'm in a national HP 3.5 factory installed Kenworth seat with BackCycler, aka back massager. Let me take you around this seat, show you what it looks like, and it's a great factory option that you can consider adding to your Kenworth truck. Let's go take a look and more details on how this seat works and what it looks like. So here's a look at the seat, the National HP 3.5. This one comes with a great option of AC and heating. Now if you want to use the BackCycler option, it's really simple, and it says right here how to do it yourself. I'll put the instructions in the video at the end, but all you have to do is first put your 3 lumbars down to 0 air. You turn on the BackCycler, you let it cycle through 2 or 3 times, and then based on what your needs are, you adjust the level of lumbar to adjust the level of massage. And it's just that easy to have a BackCycler or massage seat option on your Kenworth truck. That's Group Care with Montreal T.N.T, Trucks and Tips. Stay tuned for more tips in the future, and I'll put the sales code in the description on this video. Thank you.